bond order is defined as what? Half of NB minus NA. So what this NB means? NB is nothing but number of electrons in bonding molecular orbital, while Na is nothing but number of electrons in anti-bonding molecular orbital. So option comes to be half of the value of difference of number of electrons in bonding molecular orbital and in the anti-bonding molecular orbital. Okay, so the answer is B. Next, the correct order of bond angle among BF3, PF3, CLF3. Okay, so when you go with the bond angle of BF3 is 120 degrees centigrade, while in the case of PF3 it comes to be 109 degrees centigrade, while in the case of CLF3, so it is less than that. Okay, the chronological order comes to be PF3 less than BF3, which is less than CLF3. Okay, so answer comes to be D. Okay, PF3 less than BF3, CLF3. Okay, so whose hybridization? When we talk about what hybridization, BF3 hybridization is sp2, while in the case of PF3 hybridization is sp3, CLF3 hybridization is sp3d. Okay, so this makes the answer D. Next question. C2H6 has how many pi bonds or sigma bonds? So to draw the structure of C2H6, so sigma, no pi bonds. Okay, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 sigma bond. Answer comes to be C. Next question. So which of the following contains a coordinate covalent bond? Okay, so go with BaCl2. It is ionic bond. HCl, covalent bond. Well, in the case of H2O is also covalent bond. Well, in the case of N2H4 plus, it comes to be day2 bond. Hydrogen, nitrogen. This is hydrogen, nitrogen, hydrogen, gives away excess amount of electron to what? Other hydrogen, H plus ion. Okay, so this becomes the answer for coordinate covalent bond. Next question, last question. Okay, so last question is number of sigma pi bond present in a molecule of tetracycloethane. You have to draw the structure and calculate the number of sigma and pi bonds. Tetracyclo and okay, so when you go with structure tetracyclo, what is the structure? is tetracyanoethylene. Tetracyanoethylene. So this becomes a structure. So when you draw, calculate its sigma bonds, sigma pi, sigma, sigma 2 pi bonds, sigma 2 pi bonds, 2 pi, 2 pi, 1 sigma, 1 sigma, 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 uh, sigma and 2 pi. So when you calculate, it comes to be around how many sigmas? Sigma 9 sigmas. Pi comes to be how much? 9. Answer comes to be 9 sigma and 9 pi bonds.